Sagutan natin tong problems. Convert the following. So, meron tayong conversion of units. So, gagamitin natin itong Canon F789 SGA. So, by the way, advantage ni F789 SGA is yung kanyang built-in conversion of units. So, hindi na natin kailangang kabisaduhin yung number for specific conversion of units unlike sa other brand ng calculator. Okay, so by the way, allow din ito by the PRC sa Engineering Board Exam. So, pwede nyo itong gamitin. So, for number 1, we have 25 cm to inch. So, input natin 25 and then press convert. So, kailangan natin is centimeter to inch. So, hanapin natin yung centimeter. Ito, equal. And then, i-convert daw natin siya to inch. So, hanapin natin si inch, which is ito. So, dito pa lang, makikita na natin yung equivalent inch for 25 cm, which is 9.84 something. You can also press equal pa rin. Then, we have 24 cm to inch. Press another equal. So, ito yung kanyang equivalent value to inch, which is 9.84 inches. Next, 52 feet square to meter square. So, input natin 52, then convert button. So, hanapin natin that's area, right? So, feet square tayo, convert to meter square. So, nandito na tayo sa feet square, press equal. And then, i-convert daw natin to meter square. So, hanapin nyo si meter square, which is this one. So, makita na agad natin yung value, which is 4.83. Or you can still press equal. Then, another equal. We have 4.83 meters square. Next, 36 degrees Celsius to degrees Fahrenheit. So, input 36 and then convert button. So, that's temperature, right? Okay, hanapin nyo si temperature. So, kailangan daw is 36 degrees Celsius. Punta kayo sa degrees Celsius, press equal, and then co-convert natin to degrees Fahrenheit. So, 96.8 na agad yung sagot, pero you can still press equal pa rin. Then, another equal. So, makukuha na natin yung sagot, which is 96.8 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, 75 gallons to liter. Okay, so 75 input and then convert. So, gallons to liter, that's capacity, right? Okay. So, gallons equal and then convert to liter equal. So, equal again. So, 75 gallons is equivalent to 283.9059 liter. Next, 6 kilo Pascal to ATM. So, input 6, then convert. So, kilopascal to ATM, that's pressure. Hanapin nyo si pressure, press down. Okay. So, kailangan is kilopascal equal, and then co-convert to ATM equal. So, that's approximately 0.059 ATM. Next, last, 95 meter per second to kilometers per hour. Okay, kayo naman, try to convert this using the calculator and just comment your answers.